Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tu, and in this video I'm going to tell you about what most game changing technologies, which is folding phone, flipping phone, and especially the first innovation of these technologies are announced by Samsung. And today in this video I'm going to tell you about Galaxy Z Fold 5 shows off its gapless hang in fast official leaking rounder. So if you are new here, then please consider to subscribe this channel, ring the bell icon, and like this video, of course. Write what's your thought about Samsung innovation, means folding and flipping technology. So let's get it started. We are still over a month away from Samsung's new batch of foldable, but today's new official looking image of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 gives our best look to that at the foldable, including its new hinge and blue colorway. They folks in the My Smart Price today published what appears to be a press render for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in blue. The image shows the phone most of the way open with the tagline "Unforward drawn," and behind that you can see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 closed up the top. The standard details from this image is easily the hinge itself, which is the first capless hinge Samsung has used for and rounder to have a significant impact on the Galaxy Z5. Rumor has it some have used into rumor have a significant impact on the Galaxy Z5. This is a rumor has it that the Fold 5 will considerably thinner and lighter than its producer. The new H also opens the door to a water drop method of folding the display, which should lead to the less noticeable display curious. At least it's something takes some route as computers it's possible to tell the line details from this one image along, but the other thing we see as mentioned is a new light blue color option. The color is a nice beach. So as you can see in the picture, sorry for the dogs. So I think this news is badly dropped. By the way, there are highly noise because of dogs, so that's why I can't continue the news, but I think this is enough to show you how it's now impacting. As you can see, you can't see the vertical line folding between the center, so between two parts of the phone. So this is the video for now. For more videos like this, please consider to subscribe this channel, like the video, hit the ring icon, and write a beautiful comments about this video. So what you are expecting from Samsung. So more on Samsung Z Flip 5 outer display will be similar than the Raza. So this is the facts. So this is the video for now. For more videos, please consider to subscribe.